Okay, how's everybody?
Hold on, let me just set up.
Okay.
And
On ground, RBC 603 ready to taxi for left-hand circuits for runway 03.
Roger, taxi by Echo 1 for runway 03, hold short of the runway.
Taxi Echo 1, hold short of runway 03. And
I'll do flap test.
yes.
Apa naman to?
603, switch now to tower 1245.
24-5, good evening, RBC 603.
Need to reach, check.
Panglao Tower, good evening, RBC 603, taxiing Echo 1.
603, tower, good evening. Continue taxi lineup runway 03, report when ready.
Continue lineup 03 and report ready, RBC 603.
What's the current QNH? New.
Request current Korean QNH, RBC 603, sorry, in millibars, RBC 603.
1008 or 29.77.
Copy, 603, thank you. Okay, we're ready to line up. And we're ready for departure, RBC 603.
603, Roger. And wind 0203, correction 020 at 6 knots. Runway 03, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 03, RBC 603. Yeah.
Intersection ko na.
Okay, intersection departure checks.
Alright, I'll check. Windows closed, please.
Check.
Okay, gotcha.
Are windows still open?
Alright, intersection departure. Ako na.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay, all set. Everybody good?
All set. Everybody
Right.
good.
Fun approach path clear.
Good. And taking the runway, lights on,
Yeah,
strobe
sure,
lights are on.
Thanks. Forgot that. No runway center line. Lights.
Okay, engine transmission degree.
Centering.
Alright.
Airspeed's in the way.
Check.
And or 5.
So we're gonna keep 630 feet
Yeah. 600.
for the pattern.
Hindi, pwede kayo mag 1,000 kung gusto nyo. Kung yung 700, it's a visual pattern. If you want to be extra safe, use 1,000. Pero I mean, medyo excessive naman yun.
Correcting.
Alright.
And lights are off. Let's see lights off.
You're still high. Continue
Yeah.
to descent here.
Continue descent.
Reduce speed.
Okay, flaps still. Okay, we're on a profile.
On the profile, check.
You're doing good.
On center line, check.
Very good. Hold it. Very good.
Perfect.
That was nice.
Flaps down.
Alright.
Alright.
Na-video mo yan?
Okay na yan. Kanina yung mo, yung depth perception mo nun, okay na yan.
Na-video mo, Vince?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, beautiful.
Thanks, and
Beautiful.